Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. One of the customers called me. His washing machine cannot use. So let's see what is the problem. Dear viewers, when I come here, then I turn it on, but there's no response. So I have opened the cover. Then I have checked inside. There is coin. I found there is coin, and one coin has been stuck. For that reason, I cannot move my hand also. By my hand also cannot move the pull stator because of the coin. Then I thought it's only for coin. It was problem only for coin. Then I have removed the coin. Then now I can move by hand, so it has been free. Then finally I'm going to check again. It's moving or not. When I have turned it on, see, it's not moving, just making noisy. So for this noise there is two reasons. First for belt and second is for capacitor. So let's say I've laid on it. Then I've seen the belt is okay. See, belt is okay, but capacitor, that's exploded. The capacitor has gone. So I remove. See, this capacitor has exploded. Must change the capacitor. So I'll remove the capacitor. I have to remove it. So dear viewers, see, this capacitor has exploded. This 12 microfarad. This capacitor is 12 microfarad. So dear viewers, I have one capacitor. That's 11.5. It's not new. Right now I don't have new, but I have second hand. But before, if second hand before fix, I have to check. I have to connect it properly. Yeah, dear viewers, it's showing 11.4 microfarad. So it's good. 11.4 microfarad. So it's good. It will work fine. So I have to change this. I have to fix it, the capacitor. So after I fix, the reverse I fixed there. Now I have to finally test. Customer is they are waiting for using. So Alhamdulillah, now it's spinning, running. I mean, motor is running. And water is refilling. So after full the water, now it's working fine. It's washing. So Alhamdulillah, dear viewers. So it was problem only this is the capacitor only, capacitor and coin. And this explode reason is for coin, because coin is stuck there.